Hi, this is Christy Childs, and today I wanted to talk to you again about printables. Why? Because it's such a hot selling item. A lot of times people do not know what to promote online. The answer to that is you promote something that is already selling instead of recreating the wheel, and then you've got a greater chance at success. Okay, so I just wanted to show you who am I. I've had success promoting digital products on different marketplaces. This one right here, $518.04. This one's $42,994.58. And then I've promoted many other products on other platforms as well. And this just goes to show you, I'm very grateful for this income that's paid my bills and created a nice lifestyle to help with our life together as a couple. So this is entirely possible. So now if we go to Google and we put in the search bar printable calendars, let me go up just a bit here. Okay, this is what you'll get for results right here. Look at this. June 2018 calendar, 33,000 people, and this is just in the United States. 33,100 people were searching for June 2018 because it's currently May. Maybe they were just looking, to see, they just want to see the calendar. But look at this, printable weekly calendar, 6,600 people. Free printable calendar templates, cute printable calendar 2017, 4,400 people. Printable calendar December 2017, 2,400 people. 2018 printable calendar Word, 1,900. 2018 calendar template PDF, 1,600 people just this month. Make your own calendar free, 1,000 people. 2,000 yearly calendar template, 720 people. So you can see people are searching. Google tells you what they're searching for. Again, we'll go back into Etsy, and it says printable calendar 2018. 2,700 people a month are searching for this. If you were to pay for an ad in Google, it would cost you $1.29. So let's go into Etsy. And we've done this before, but it's so much fun. Printable calendar. Let's just do a niche. Okay, and just instead of saying printable calendar, let's let Etsy suggest printable calendar for anniversary. So even though it says 0 people are searching for it, you can see that people are advertising. It must be selling because people are paying for ads in Etsy for this is actually birthday calendars. Let's see if there's any anniversary calendar. So no. So birthday calendars are coming up. So let's go back and let's let Etsy tell us what people are looking for. Printable calendar photo, 50 people a month. Printable calendar numbers. See, this is how you can find niches right here. Okay, let's just put in nurse. Printable nurse. Not a calendar, but let's go a different slant. Okay, here we go. Printable nursery art, 90 people a month. Printable nursery wall art, printable nursery decor, printable nurse cupcake topper. Huh. Okay, but these don't have many searches. These do. All right, so let's just put in, this is how you can find really great niches. Printable quotes, printable calendar again, printable baby shower invitations. Okay, now that is huge, absolutely huge. There are 101,178 shops. It's highly, highly competitive. So you would need to niche it down to maybe, let's see, girl, printables, baby shower, baby girl shower. Let's see what that looks like. Whoops. Okay, let's see what the search volume is. Not much, but there are people selling them. Let's take a look at this one right here. Swanky Design Company. Maybe I can find another one. I don't want to click on their ad because it's going to charge them money. So let's go down to another one that's selling a lot. Okay, so look at this one. If this shop has 3,374 reviews, it's made a lot more sales than that. So it's a really, really cute banner. You can get this done on Fiverr, or you can do it yourself in PicMonkey. Pretty cool, huh? So since 2014, this shop has made, oh golly, look at that, 23,444 sales since 2014. And let's see, they look like they're doing very well. They average around $5.40, some 10, some $9.90, $4.95. Unicorn mermaid, unicorns and mermaids are huge in on Etsy in any item. But you can see printables are really, really good. And to see, you know, what a shop is selling, you used to be able to do right here and it would show you, but now you have to go to the reviews and you can see what the latest things are that are selling. It's a girl whimsical baby shower invitation, twinkle twinkle little star invitation. And see, you can make those in PicMonkey. People teach doing it in Canva. Okay, here's the thing. Canva actually requires you to buy an expensive commercial license, even though people teach Canva for printables. It's not a good idea. I actually emailed them and they said that you have to buy an expensive license. PicMonkey, on the other hand, I emailed them and they said unless the artist that created the artwork says differently, you are free to use it for commercial use. So that's why I use PicMonkey. Versus another one, Photoshop, which I've never learned. I don't have any desire to, and I do just fine with PicMonkey. Now, I have a friend, her name is Michelle, and she's actually made over $54,000 doing this. And she does it with Photoshop, but you could do it with PicMonkey too. She says 30,000. She's talking about after the 18 months, but she's actually over 54,000 since she did this sales page. Plus she taught, she's got lots of students in there. I've sent her lots of students, and one of them, Amy, got her first $1,000, and she was so excited from doing printables the way Michelle is going to teach you. So click on the link below and I'm going to give you a free report. It's the top 10 things to make more Etsy sales. And then in the first email that I send you with your permission, you will get a link to Michelle's course, which is right here, to see if you would like to be her student and enroll. Lesson 1, she's going to talk about her story. It's really a good story. She comes up with ideas. She finds clip art. She's going to tell you how to find that. She's going to tell you how to design printables in Apple Pages. I'm corrected. I said Photoshop. Apple Pages. But you can also do it in PicMonkey. Okay, she does her Pinterest pins in PicMonkey, but you can do your printables in PicMonkey too, if you already know how to do that. She also shows you how to design them in Google Docs. So see, if you have an Apple computer, that's free. Google Docs is free. And then how to use Etsy to sell your printables, how to list your printable on Etsy, create your images, your featured images in PicMonkey. She's going to intro you to Marmalade, which is a huge, it's similar to EtsyRank.com. And then she's going to show you how to get traffic from Pinterest to your printables. It's really an awesome course. I've been through it. It is awesome. Case study boosting my Etsy sales. So if you pick up Michelle's course through my link, you'll also get 2 of my guides that I sell on my Teachable blog right here. You'll get the SEO right here. You're going to get how to set up a free Etsy shop. This print bubble guide, which is 71 pages, and you're also going to get an SEO guide right here. Etsy SEO keyword map. The riches are in the niches. Because once you've made, let me come back to, let's see. Once you've made your printable, that's just the first step. Then you have to sell it, okay? Because then just picture yourself, you have the best lemonade on the block, but you're out in the middle of nowhere. I always say you're out in the middle of the desert. If nobody's coming by and nobody's usually, there's not a lot of traffic in the desert, you're going to be the only one drinking the lemonade that you know is the best lemonade. So it's the same thing with printables. If you have the most beautiful printable and you just know you found this awesome little sub niche with lots of searches a month inside of Etsy, maybe it's a baby girl elephant invitation or whatever, and it will sell. But if you don't do your keyword research correctly and you don't set up your listing correctly, then nobody's going to see it. Now, Michelle's going to teach you, and I've also, SEO or search engine optimization is one of my specialties, so you'll get my free guide plus print on demand, which shows you how to take images and just a real simple image and put it on a coffee mug or a tote bag or a t-shirt or a sweatshirt, baby onesie, posters. What else are there? There's loads. I mean, loads. Necklaces, bracelets. I've sold necklaces on Etsy with print on demand. Okay, it really does work. And that print bubble guide that you'll get with Michelle's course will be free. Okay, you just write to me at kchilds@tds.net and you'll get it for free. So you got 2 bonuses, plus you got Michelle's course, plus you get a bonus if you click on the link below and opt in to my subscriber list and agree to get my newsletter. I would love it. Please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. It's great to have you here. I'm getting so many new subscribers. I'm so excited about that. Every day I'm excited to make new videos. So I hope it's really helping. Be sure you put your comments below. I've been making a lot of videos today, so I'm almost hoarse, but I'm going to check my comments. So please give me a like and subscribe. It really helps. It helps grow my channel. And my goal is to get to 2,000 subscribers is my next big hurdle. And I'm growing my income. I'm doing multiple streams of income, and I hope you are too. So this is Christy. I'll talk to you soon. Have a good night. Bye now.